Is your desktop acting up? Trust our expert Naples Desktop Repair Service for fast, reliable solutions right at your home or office. Why choose us? We offer convenient on-site service for homes and offices, affordable pricing with no hidden costs, and certified technicians for all desktop brands. We handle common issues like slow performance, hardware failures, virus removal, and data recovery, ensuring your desktop runs smoothly. Wondering about the Naples Desktop Repair Service cost? We provide transparent quotes tailored to your specific needs with no surprises. Scheduling your repair is hassle-free. Simply call us at 239.421.8187 to book your appointment today. Skip the hassle of carrying your desktop to a shop. Our technicians come to your home or office for added convenience. Our team has years of experience handling hardware and software issues for all major desktop brands, ensuring expert care. Get your desktop repaired quickly without compromising quality. Most repairs are completed within 24 hours, so you can get back to work. Your satisfaction is our priority. We ensure reliable repairs and exceptional customer service every time you choose us. Visit NaplesDesktopRepairService.com or call 239.421.8187 to get your personalized Naples Desktop Repair Service quote today. Don't let a malfunctioning desktop disrupt your life. Call us today for prompt professional repair services. Reach out to us at 239.421.8187 or visit our website at NaplesDesktopRepairService.com for more information.